Hi, I am your geography teacher Sanjay Gonsal Koral, and today we are going to learn about continents and oceans. If you are a student of grade 7, this lesson is very much important for you because you have to study about continents and oceans under your first lesson, The World We Live In. Before we talk about continents and oceans, let's learn how the surface of the earth is covered. As we all know, the surface of the earth is covered with land and the oceans, or in other words, lands and the water. Right. When we consider about the surface of the earth, 71% of the surface of the earth is covered by water and rest is covered by land. In other words, 71% of the surface of the earth is covered by water and 21% is covered by land. When we consider about the area which is covered by water, it consists of oceans, seas, tanks, lakes and other resources, water resources on the surface of the earth. Right. Then we'll talk about continents. What is a continent? Continent is a large land area surrounded by water. A continent is a large area surrounded by water. And how many continents are there in the world? And what is the continent that we live in? As you all are Sri Lankans, you must know the continent that you live in. Right. I'll give you the answer for my first questions. There are 7 continents in the world. Like, just look at the background of my presentation. Right. Here you can see 7 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each color represents a large land area, and the large land area is called a continent. Here you can see 7 continents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see what those continents are. There are 7 continents in the world, and let's take them right. Here I have a worksheet for you, and here I have put some blanks intentionally, and here is a word bank. You need to choose the words from the word bank and fill in these blanks. Right, let's try. North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe and Asia. All these are continents. How many continents are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7. Let's see. Asia. Yes, we are in the Asian continent, and this is the continent of Asia. And here the continent of Europe. And here the continent of Africa, the continent of Australia. The continent of Australia is a special continent because it is called as island continent, and it is the smallest continent. Here the continent of North America, the continent of South America, it is here, and at the bottom you can see the continent of Antarctica. The continent of Antarctica. By looking at my next slide, you will learn more where these continents are located. Here you can see Asia here, and you can see Sri Lanka, and we are in the Asian continent, and Asian continent is the continent of Asia is the biggest continent among all the other continents. Right, here you can see the continent of Europe, continent of Africa, continent of Australia, continent of Antarctica, continent of North America and continent of South America. Now we will take them individually and we'll talk about each of these continent, right? Asia. As I told you, Asia is the largest continent among the other continents, and it has an area of 43.6 million square kilometers. It has an area of 43.6 million square kilometers. And when you talk about Europe, it has an area of 10.5 million square kilometers. 10.5 million square kilometers. When you consider about Australia, it has an area of 8.9 million square kilometers. And Antarctica, it has an area of 14 million square kilometers. North America has an area of 25.3 million square kilometers, and South America has an area of 17.8 million square kilometers. And African continent or continent of Africa has 30.3 million square kilometers. According to the figures, you can see the largest continent is the Asian continent, and the second largest continent is African continent, third largest continent is North American continent, and fourth largest continent is South America, continent of South America. Likewise, the smallest continent is the continent of Australia. Right. Now you are going to answer a question, a set of questions. Let's see. Actually, this is a riddle. I have the largest desert in the world, Sahara, and I am the oldest inhabited continent, also known as the dark continent. Which continent am I? Sahara. It is located in the continent of Africa. This is continent of Africa. Second one, I cover nearly 1/3 of Earth's surface. I have the two most populous countries in the world. Which continent am I? 1/3 of Earth's surface I cover, and I have two most populous countries in the world. Which continent am I? If I tell you the countries, can you name the continent? The most populous countries are China and India. Which continent am I? The continent of Asia. Next one, I am the smallest continent in the world. I am also known as the island continent. Which continent am I? The continent of Australia. Next one, the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on earth, and the Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest in the world, are both within my land masses. Which continent am I? I am the continent of South America. I am the only continent with no deserts. The largest and the smallest countries in the world are found here. Which continent am I? Which continent? The continent of Europe. You can see Europe here. I am the third largest continent in the world in terms of area, and fourth largest in terms of population. Which continent am I? I am the continent of North America. Here, North American continent is here. Right. Next one, my other name is frozen continent. Frozen continent. And scientists from different parts of the world are excited about my climate, weather, geology, and wildlife. Which continent am I? I am the continent of Antarctica here. What is an island? An island is a small land area surrounded by water. Right. Being an island nation, we all must know what an island is. What? Island is a small land area surrounded by water. Island. An island is a small land area surrounded by water. Here in this picture, you can see a small land area and it is surrounded by water. It has no connection with the land or the coast. So there are two main features of an island. It is a small land area and it is surrounded by water. Those two features can be seen in an island. Right. These are some of the islands located around Sri Lanka, and these islands, they belong to Sri Lanka. Talemena is the largest island in Sri Lanka. You can see Delf, Kites, Punkudathiyuvu, Paraithivu, Nainathivu, Katchatu. These islands can be seen around the northern part of our country. If you visit Jaffna, you can visit some of these islands, right? If you visit the down south, you can find Seenigama Dupata island near Hikkaduwa, and you can see one of the famous Devala called Seenigama Devalaya there. Right. Let's talk about some of the islands located in the world, but these are not the only islands which can be seen in the world. Some are missing here. We'll talk about some of the missing islands later on the lesson. Right here you can see Sumatra Islands, Java, Borneo, the Philippine Islands, and the Japanese islands. They are very closer to Sri Lanka, also the Madagascar. Right here you can see Greenland at the top. Greenland is an island, right? Or Greenland is the largest island. Then what is the largest island? Greenland is the largest island in the world. You can see Cuba here. Right. What is an ocean? What is an ocean? Just look at this picture, right? These Mars water bodies, you can see, they are called oceans. And how many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 oceans. You probably know one of those 5 oceans by now, because we are located, or Sri Lanka is located, and we are surrounded by one of the oceans called Indian Ocean. Right. It is over here. Right. Let's see what an ocean is. The water masses located among continents. You can see continents. Among continents are called oceans, and the small water bodies located close to continents and inland are called seas. Right. Now there are 2 things you must know. First one is the water masses. Water masses, it means these areas. So you can see oceans, but seas, they are smaller than oceans, and they can be seen very closer to these continents. And you can see some inland seas. You cannot see any inland oceans, but you can see inland seas. Right. We'll talk about those things and we'll take some examples. Okay. How many oceans are there in the world? As I told you, there are 5 oceans in the world. What are they? The largest ocean, it is Pacific Ocean. It has an area of 156 million square kilometers. The second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. It has an area of 77 million square kilometers. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean, and it has an area of 69 million square kilometers. Antarctic Ocean, it has an area of 20 million square kilometers. Arctic Ocean has 14 million square kilometers. Right. Now I am going to play a video, small video clip. Right. In this video you will find some more information about continents, some countries located in those continents, and some special features. At the same time, you can learn some more about oceans and continents.
And what about all the water on the Earth's surface? The world is divided into a number of land masses, and they are what we see on maps and globes. These land masses are called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent. It has the largest population among all the continents. Huge countries such as China and India are located on this continent. It is home to unique animals like the panda and the pangolin. Africa is the second largest continent. The continent of Africa includes countries like Egypt, Ethiopia, and South Africa. It has an amazing variety of wildlife, such as elephants, lions, zebras, and giraffes. America is the third largest continent. It contains countries such as the United States of America, Canada, and Mexico. South America is situated below North America and is the 4th largest continent. It is home to the famous Amazon rainforest and countries such as Brazil, Argentina, and Venezuela. The world are found in Antarctica is the 5th largest continent and is covered in snow and ice all year round, which has no permanent human residence, only visitors and lots of different wildlife such as killer whales, penguins, seabirds, and seals. Europe is the 6th largest continent, but has the 2nd largest population. Countries such as the United Kingdom, France, Italy, and Greece are part of Europe. These places are more known for their buildings than their wildlife. You might recognize some. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It is both a country and an island. It is home to seals and echidnas. These are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Each ocean is packed, just as busy as the continents above water.
Now let's talk about seas. What is a sea? As I told you, seas are located near to these continents and they are small water bodies. They can be seen in inland as well. Small water bodies located close to continents and inland areas are called seas. Here in this map you can see some of the seas. The same map can be seen in your book, your textbook. We'll see some of the seas. South China Sea, you can see it here. East China Sea, Yellow Sea, Sea of Japan, Sea Baltic Sea, North Sea, Black Sea. Here once there are 2 special seas, Caspian Sea and Aral Sea. These are inland seas. These are inland sea. The Mediterranean Sea, you can see it here. Here, Caribbean Sea. Right. These are some of the seas which are located in the world. Right. You can see some more seas in this video. Just watch this. Right, those are some of the seas that you can see around the world, and we'll move to do an assignment. So I have some questions for you. What is an ocean? The first question, what is an ocean? My second question is, what is the ocean that Sri Lanka is surrounded by? What is the ocean that the Sri Lanka is surrounded by? What is a sea? How many oceans are there in the earth? What are they? What is the largest ocean in the world? What is the second largest ocean? What is the third largest ocean? What is the fourth largest ocean in the world? What is a continent? How many continents are there in the earth? What are they? Indicate the size of each continent. What is the largest continent? What is the smallest continent? What is the second largest continent? What is an island? What is the largest island in the earth? Next, you need to fill in this table. You need to write the names of the continents. Actually there are 7, and oceans that the continent is surrounded by. You need to write the names of the oceans and the size of the continent in million square kilometers. You need to fill this. And second table, you need to write the names of the oceans and size of the oceans in million square kilometers, and the seas that you can see near those continents and oceans. So with that, I'm going to conclude. If you have any questions, please send me an email, or you can contact me on the mobile number that I mentioned at the beginning of this lesson.